Hello and welcome back to Regular Expressions on freeCodeCamp. This is specify upper and lower numbers of matches. Recall that you use the plus sign to look for one or more characters and the asterisk to look for 0 or more characters. These are convenient, but sometimes you want to match a certain range of patterns. You can specify the lower and upper number of patterns with quantity specifiers. Quantity specifiers are used with curly brackets. You put two numbers between the curly brackets for the lower and upper numbers of patterns. For example, to match only the letter A appearing between 3 and 5 times in the string aaah, your regex would be A, and we want that 3 to 5 times, and then end it with H. So let A4 be aaah with 4 A's. That would return true, but this one only has 2, it would return false because it does not meet that condition there. So our challenge says change the regex, O regex, to match the entire phrase oh no only when it has 3 to 6 letter H's. So if we come back over here, we want to, in our change, we want it to be the O, and then the H, and we want that one to be, what did it say? 3 to 6 letters, so 3 to 6. But we do want to match oh no, so right after we want to do the white space. So match white space, that was \s. We learned that a few ago. And then we also want it to be no, right? So this should make sure that the O, the H has at least 3 to 6 H's. So that would be 3 here. And then white space, and then the word no. So if we do our result, let's zoom out, console log result, we do get false. And that might be because we're not doing ignore case. Let's ignore case, and it does return true now. If we do more than 6 H's, or let's do 2, now it's false. If we do 3, that's true. 4, 5 should be true. 6 is true. 7, though, false. So we are able to specify how many H's we want in our oh no pattern that we're looking for. So that actually should be, that should allow us to pass. Yeah, and we did pass. So the important thing we're learning here is we're getting more power using quantity specifiers. And we can specify lower and upper number of patterns, and that is with the curly brackets. And you put two numbers between curly brackets for the lower and upper number of patterns. So again, to match only the letter A appearing between 3 to 5 times in the string aaah, we did 3 to 5 and then H at the end, and that's why that worked for this one. Same thing here, we just combined it with our \s, which is white space, and then the word no. Ignored case because this was a capital O, which is why it was returning false, because it couldn't find a string with a lowercase o. But yeah, ignoring case allowed us to find that. If you guys are getting that, you guys are getting these lessons, and I'll see you in the next one.